How to log in or sign in to PayPal account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in or sign in to PayPal account. Now you can easily log in or sign up using your PayPal application, or you can do so on the browser. Now if I try to show it here on the application, the security issues, the screen will go blank. I won't be able to record it, so I'll just show it in the browser. Now you can head into browser. You want to search in paypal.com/login or sign in. You'll be headed to this page. So here you can easily enter in your email or mobile number and type in your password and tap on login. If you want to log in with a one-time code, you want to tap on login with a one-time code, and you'll get it on your phone number, the registered phone number or email, and you'll be able to log in with the code. If you forgot password, you can type on forgot password. However, if you want to sign up, you can simply tap on sign up option there and go ahead, and it'll ask you to enter in certain details. You want to choose your personal or business, then tap on get started, and then you want to choose your region, tap on get started again, enter in your email, tap on next, and once you do so here, it'll ask you to verify your account. And once you verify your account using either your phone number or such, and then or enter in your payment details, so your account will be verified. So this way you can easily sign in on PayPal account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.